how to restore deleted posts on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can restore deleted posts on Instagram. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. To restore a deleted post, first locate your Instagram app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to your profile, tap on the bottom right corner, and now let me just delete a post. So let's say that I've deleted this post right here, and now I want to recover it. So if that's the case for you as well, tap on the three lines on the top right, select your activity. After you're there, you will find a lot of different options and you'll find a section that says removed and archived content. Tap on recently deleted from there. And after you're here, tap on the post that was recently deleted. And tap on the three dots. Then tap on restore. Confirm this. And now the post will get restored. You can go back to your profile and there you can see the post has been recovered. And that's how you do it. Now you have about 30 days to do so. And if not, and if you wait after 30 days, the posts will automatically and permanently be deleted. So keep that in mind, and that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.